Welcome back to Prestige Beast Drive, where we take you inside the most powerful and intriguing performance cars shaping the future of driving. Today we're talking about one of the most anticipated muscle car icons set to return, the Mustang GT500 Successor. This is the next chapter in Ford's legendary pony car story, and it promises to push performance, heritage, and raw driving emotion to new heights. Whether you're a Mustang loyalist or just love high-performance engineering, stay tuned. This car could be a defining moment for American muscle. From the outside, the upcoming Mustang GT500 Successor looks like it means business. Prototypes caught testing under heavy camouflage show the classic long hood and aggressive stance that Mustang fans expect, but with even more muscular proportions and functional design cues that hint at serious performance potential. Wider fenders accommodate staggered 20-inch wheels and high-performance summer tires, suggesting that Ford wants this car to deliver both straight-line speed and confident cornering. The front fascia on these test cars features larger openings for cooling, and engineers appear to have optimized airflow for sustained high-speed running and enhanced engine efficiency. These visual clues tell us the Successor is more than just a fast Mustang, it's engineered for serious performance. Under the hood, the heart of the GT500 Successor is expected to be a supercharged V-8, based on Ford's high-performance architecture. While official confirmation is still pending, multiple industry sources and leaked internal documents point toward a supercharged 5.2-liter V-8 engine, a refined, more powerful evolution of the unit that powered the last GT500. And that also appears in Ford's high-output platforms. Early indications suggest this next-generation power plant, internally referred to by some as the Legend engine, could produce power figures north of the previous 760 horsepower, potentially approaching or even exceeding 800 in some trims. These updates would allow the car to bridge the gap between the naturally aspirated Dark Horse and the ultra-exclusive Mustang GTD, while offering compelling performance for enthusiasts. What makes this Successor particularly interesting is how it stays true to muscle car tradition while pushing performance boundaries. Expect lightning, quick throttle response, a supercharged grunt that attackers the low and mid-range with authority, and a life-affirming exhaust note that muscle car purists crave. Spy footage of development mules has already revealed a rich, burbling V-8 soundtrack under real-world driving conditions, a reminder that this model still prioritizes visceral experience as much as outright speed. On the technical side, Ford is likely to pair this engine with a high-performance automatic transmission tailored for rapid shifts and strong deep throttle response. Analogies to previous GT500 models suggest a multi-gear dual-clutch design may be on the cards, with programming optimized for both track launches and daily use. Rear-wheel drive remains a core part of the Mustang ethos here, providing the kind of throttle, steer control, and balance dynamics that performance drivers appreciate. In the chassis department, expect performance-oriented suspension tuning, upgraded brakes, and a suite of drive modes that let the driver tailor the car's behavior to conditions ranging from wet pavement to dry track sessions. Reports indicate that wide performance tires and substantial brakes will be standard, supporting increased power and giving the driver confidence when pushing hard. Aerodynamic touches, subtle spoilers, diffusers, and venting will work together to keep the Mustang planted, even as speeds climb. Inside, the cabin of the GT500 Successor is anticipated to blend performance cues with modern comfort. While final details are still emerging, enthusiasts expect supportive sport seats with aggressive bolstering, a performance-oriented digital instrument cluster, and the latest infotainment and driver assistance integration from Ford. Premium materials, tactile steering wheel controls, and customizable display modes will ensure that both the driver and passengers feel connected to the car's performance character. As with other high-end Mustang variants, standard tech will likely include smartphone integration, advanced navigation and track-focused telemetry features that display acceleration, lap times, G-forces, and more. One of the most exciting angles of this Successor is its potential to be offered in both coupe and convertible body styles. Spy photos confirm that soft-top versions are undergoing testing alongside the coupe prototypes, a development that hasn't been seen since earlier generations of the GT500. This opens the door for fans who want open-air performance without compromise. Performance numbers are still speculative at this stage, but based on development leaks and industry estimates, a 0-60 mph time in the low 3-second range seems possible, especially with a launch control system and optimized powertrain calibration. Top speed figures haven't been confirmed yet, but with updated aerodynamics and more horsepower than its predecessor, This Mustang aims to hold its own against international sports cars, as well as domestic rivals. What makes this GT500 Successor unique isn't just its raw power or legendary nameplate roots, it's how it positions itself in a performance landscape that's rapidly changing. With competitors chasing high-tech hybrids and electrification, this new Mustang represents a celebration of traditional internal combustion performance, refined with modern engineering and global class dynamics. Whether Ford continues to use the historic GT500 name or opts for a new badge, like Boss, Cobra, or Dark Horse Boss, as rumors suggest, the essence of this car remains a high-performance, driver-focused Mustang that honors its heritage while looking forward. In everyday driving, expect a surprisingly refined balance. Modern Mustang engineering aims to blend daily usability with track-ready responsiveness, so throttle mapping, suspension compliance, and steering feedback are designed to feel confident in both commute traffic and performance situations. Electric power steering with adjustable feel and selectable dynamics will let drivers dial in their preferred character, making this successor adaptable and engaging across a spectrum of driving conditions. Overall, the Mustang GT500 Successor, whether it carries the GT500 badge or another iconic name, stands to be a milestone build for Ford performance. It combines raw horsepower, optimized chassis tuning, driver, first ergonomics, and a sound that defines muscle car culture for enthusiasts longing for a new pinnacle in naturally aspirated performance. And muscle car emotion, this car could be the one they've been waiting for. Thanks for watching Prestige Beast Drive. If you enjoyed our deep dive into the Mustang GT500 Successor and what to expect from Ford's next performance monster, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-performance content, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Drop your thoughts below. What would you like to see under the hood of this Mustang? We'll see you on the next drive.